All right, let's look at the most missed problem from the second homework set. All right, this one asks about continuous and differentiable at x equals 4. So we're going to start with continuous, and we're going to look at the limit as x approaches 4 from the left, which would be on the top rule, 2x plus 3. All right, if I plug that in, I'm going to get an 11. Then I'm going to look at the limit as x approaches 4 from the right, which would put me on the bottom rule, which is x squared minus 5. If I plug 4 in there, I get 11 as well. So we know the limit exists, so now we need to see that the function is the same value. So I actually go in and evaluate f of 4, which puts us on the top rule, which gives us an 11. All right, at that point, we've established continuous, and we can get out and basically knock out any of the answer choices that says not continuous. All right, which means B and D are out of the picture. Now we just need to decide between A and C. All right, I've just increased my odds of a correct answer here. So if we look at differentiability, we need to look at f prime from the left on x, all right, which would really be the derivative of that top rule when we're less than 4. All right, now at the time we did this, we only had the limit definition, like the formal one, to work with. But at this point, we really can just take the derivative. And the derivative of that top rule, the 2x plus 3, is just 2. All right, so if I use that, the derivative from the left at 4 specifically is going to be 2. Now, if I look at the derivative from the right at x in general, that's the derivative of that bottom rule. So at the time, we had to go through the whole difference quotient, but now we can go ahead and we can just take the derivative, which is going to give us a 2x. So when I use that, the derivative from the right at 4 is going to be 8. All right, notice that the derivative from the left at 4 does not equal the derivative from the right at 4, so this is not continuous. All right, so we're going to have continuous, or sorry, not differentiable. I said that wrong. All right, so not differentiable. All right, so if I look at this, we got to knock out both continuous and differentiable, and our correct choice up here is going to be A. All right, so again, when we're looking continuous and differentiable, continuous, we have to have limit from the left equals the limit from the right equals the function's value. And then when we look at differentiable, the derivative from the left, so the slope of the tangent line coming from the left, has to match the derivative from the right, so the slope of the tangent line from the right. And again, we have the option of using the shortcut methods now with power rule, or we can go back and we could use the limit definition if we were totally stuck. All right, I hope that helps on that one.